Hi, I'm Rebecca Sweet with Garden Design, and I'm so excited. On this beautiful fall day, I'm here at the Coastal Maine Botanical Gardens. And this garden does an exceptional job of showing just how fabulous the fall garden can be. And I love going to gardens in the fall because I like to see them in their transitional moments. I like to see the late blooming flowers, the seed heads, the grasses that are in their glory. And this is no exception. In this garden, you have huge drifts of seed heads that have been left in place to add their incredible structural beauty, lasting well into winter. You've got seed heads from the echinacea, from the bee balm, from the native butterfly weed, which isn't a weed. We all need it in our gardens. You've got so many seed heads. You've got grasses, which are just coming into bloom now. That's when they really set the stage for a fall garden. You've got late blooming flowers. And of course, we have to talk a little bit about the flowers here. Now, one thing I've noticed is sometimes people think, oh, we've had a long hot summer, gardening is over for the year, and that is not the case at all. Fall is such a great opportunity to add late blooming flowers into your garden, to carry it through all the way into winter. And in this garden here, you've got sedum autumn joy, big drifts of it, mixed with the seed heads, mixed with the grasses. You've got late blooming asters, you've got late blooming salvias, beautiful Japanese anemone. Oh, the list goes on and on. You've even got some Verbena bonariensis blooming, which is still attracting monarch butterflies, believe it or not. And it's mid-October right now. So come with me. I want to show you just how gorgeous your fall garden can be with a little creative planting. Take a look at this. Can you believe this? These are two different types of amaranth in beautiful dark orange. You've got orange leonotis flowers. You've got red amaranth flowers. You've got the red color from the coleus. You've got Euphorbia ascot rainbow here. It is such a glorious celebration of fall, one that will last for weeks and weeks and weeks, up until the first frost, which will kill the coleus. But the seed heads of the amaranth will last, and it's a beautiful, beautiful display of how to ring in the fall season and have a garden all over again, starting in the fall, lasting through winter.